The story goes back to the beginning of Christian presence in this region. Some 400 years ago, Christianity from Goa began to spread in the coastal Konkan region. It is said that more than 300 years ago, in this remote village of Kerekatte, a farmer, while ploughing his field, found a small wooden statue of Saint Antony. Though he and the local people were non-Christians, they began to venerate this statue. Reverend Father Joseph Vaz, now saint, visited this place in 1684 and placed the statue in a new thatched hut for public veneration. Thus started the devotion to Saint Antony in Kerekatte. Many people, especially commuters, cart and vehicle drivers, began to visit the shrine to pray and pay tribute to Saint Antony. The quiet revolution that started almost 3 centuries ago continues even now with a steady flow of devotees.